The ASLS series is a new connector that meets various demands, such as space-saving, non-magnetic, and high heat resistance. This is a further evolution while taking advantage of the features of conventional micro-coaxial cable connectors. The ASLS series has achieved the industry's smallest board occupying area. It's ideal for electronic equipment that requires space saving. Since it is non-magnetic, it is not affected by strong magnetic fields such as MRIs and prevents the connector from peeling off. The double crimp structure strengthens the cable retention force and improves the reliability of contact with the shield wire. Furthermore, it has achieved high temperature resistance up to 105 degrees. U-shaped guides on the receptacle and the plug guide them to the temporary mating position and improve work efficiency. A locking structure is adopted for contact and shell. A good click feeling has been achieved, making it easier to recognize when mating is complete. Cable retention strength against swinging upward and downward in the mating is strengthened. Furthermore, the two-point contact structure provides high contact reliability. KEL offers custom harness products that meet a wide range of customer requirements. KEL handles the entire process from designing connectors and custom-made harnesses to procuring parts such as cables, manufacturing, and quality assurance. There is no need to contact multiple vendors for connectors, cables, and processing, and no need to worry about ambiguity as to who is responsible. KEL will propose the optimal harness solution. The ASLS series is an ideal product for devices that are repeatedly bent and twisted, applications that require non-magnetic and noise resistance, and situations where miniaturization and high heat resistance are required. Please consider the ASLS series, which was created in response to customer requests.